Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of July 30th, today's news is dominated by Prysmian's impressive results and updated profit guidance, along with significant market developments in the technology and energy sectors. Prysmian raised guidance after delivering its best quarter yet, with Adjusted EBITDA reaching €730 million and revenues accelerating to plus 9.4% organic growth. The quarterly margin rose to 15.4%, compared with 14.5% in Q2 25. The company further cemented its position as the front-running cable player for data centers, following the transformative Molex deal and the capacity increase in digital solutions. During the analyst call, CEO Massimo Battaini identified data centers as Prysmian's biggest growth opportunity, reaffirming the company's M&A focus on the U.S. while also highlighting interest in Europe and Latin America, and describing a U.S. listing as an absolute priority. Prysmian is well positioned to accelerate beyond its 2028 targets, and a new capital markets day will be held within the first half of 27, the company said in a statement. Prysmian shares closed up 4.49% on the day. Meanwhile, the company will appoint Anna Tanganelli as its new chief financial officer. She will replace Pier Francesco Facchini, who will leave the company at the end of 2026 to explore new opportunities. Turning to the market side, U.S. stocks surged, mainly fueled by Microsoft's strong earnings report, which alleviated investor concerns about AI spending. The S&P 500 saw a modest increase, while Microsoft's stock jumped significantly, driven by growth in its cloud business. This contrasted with pressure faced by other tech giants like Meta Platforms, which reported disappointing forecasts and saw its shares drop. Investor sentiment was further affected by rising Treasury yields, reaching levels not seen in nearly 2 decades amid ongoing inflation concerns. The day also saw movements in competitor stocks. Schneider Electric announced strong earnings and raised its guidance due to increased demand for data center solutions. Conversely, Stellantis faced challenges as its quarterly operating income fell short of expectations, sparking concerns over the effectiveness of its turnaround strategy. Finally, drone strike on gas vessels in Egypt's Mediterranean port of Damietta signaled a potential new front in the U.S. Iran war, raising the prospect of threats to navigation through the Suez Canal, one of the last remaining export routes for Saudi oil. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.